We're in the van now. Day 1 of our Colorado trip. How's everyone feeling?
He's using the GoPro.
Really? When I'm smacking my lips?
I missed the plane, the arrival and the departure, so making it up for it. You got any words, any thoughts for these trips? For this trip, Nick?
How much did it cost? The trip?
Don't answer that. This may go on public records one day. You excited for the trip, Dad?
It's our most expensive trip yet.
Okay.
What?
Well, that's the only thoughts he wants to share. Alright, day 2 of our trip. Oh, no, I'm just taking a video vlog. Anyways, we are stopping at a scenic overlook right now. The photos will do it much better justice. This day's been a little bit of a rough start. Some breakfast drama, other things, but hopefully it'll get better as the day goes on. I have faith, I'm confident, but not entirely sure what we're doing besides a hike. Why are you laughing so much? I'm taking a video vlog. It's called a vlog, so we can remember this in the future. But anyways, I wish I was way funnier because then I can make these things way more entertaining, but I'll develop that skill and I'll do that. All right. All right, the most exciting part of this trail hike so far, the bathroom. Dun, dun, dun. Really? It's gonna be worth the hike.
Best part of the trip so far. And that's the reason why.
All right, what do we think of the view?
Set it straight though. You look.
Because there's like a valley over here.
Right.
I didn't even notice that. Alright, do you want to go down?
Yeah. Here, you go down. I'll take a video of you going down.
Alright. No, that's fine.
Going down, not falling down.
Yeah. I think over here is probably best. Or you go down last.
You go that way, I'll go the other way, and then we'll see who lives.
No, I'll go this way.
No, that way. That way. Fine. Well, that was anticlimactic. I thought it was going to be a lot harder getting down.
I know, right?
All that for nothing.
Maybe we could go down there. Hang on, wait.
Let's just appreciate your kicks for a second.
hiking in Jordans. Ooh, the valley from over here is cool. Okay.
All right, so we just are leaving Garden the Gods, walking out. What are our thoughts? Now I got all of you together.
I love the gods.
Beautifully scary.
Gods are good.
Mom conquered it. Nick, you said it was your favorite.
Favorite part was when we went up the thing, like they hiked up. Otherwise, I don't like it.
Otherwise, you don't like it?
Well, otherwise, I wasn't a fan of it until we went up. I was like, okay, cool.
You didn't like
mountains.
the process of getting there.
Oh no, it wasn't the process of getting there at all. But from down here,
What are these rocks?
I was like, okay, yeah, cool. Rock.
So it's safe to say you don't want to see Grand Canyon then.
No, I never
He's
said
like, I'm not impressed.
Grand Canyon, I wanna
It's
see.
only day 2.
He's saying he's hard to please.
Grand Canyon will have the views.
Well, because
So consider who his parents are.
this can only this is only appreciated from up high. That's why I liked it up there, because you could see the entire like mountains. Oh my god. It's just a wall.
Yeah. Felt that.
What?
I said I felt that.
I put the, I turned on the shirt album over. That's what I did.
Oh.
Thank God, this is perfect without the breeze.
Yeah.
We do not need that breeze.
Honestly. I think it's because we're also like completely surrounded in mountains versus up.
You're not gonna narrate for us, Nick?
Oh, okay. Max grade 19%. If you're failing, you're not allowed to come up here. I see the building. I
It's
see the building.
it's slippery. Careful.
Yeah.
Rain.
Thunder.
You mean acclimated? Acclimatized.
On my hand. Woo! My brother still loves me.
Baby.
Hey, I wanna think. There we go. So pretty.
You're too old
You
to.
see little gaps under the rock. That's like
Oh,
that
yeah.
boulder's got like a cave underneath it.
I see. You're too old to be holding my hand, anyways.
You still hold mommy's hand all the time.
I'm gonna put this on YouTube. Show all your friends.
Oh no, there's a fork in the road, sis. Where do we go?
Dever, look at the map. I don't know. There's people over there though.
Where's the bridge go?
Good
think that
question.
goes through my wall.
The bathroom. Behold. Said that backwards. Oh Oh! Should probably watch where I step.
We did it. We finally conquered Everest, brother.
Ignore that. Look at the little baby trying to climb down right now.
I almost didn't slip. You slipped.
Yep, baby. Baby.
I did almost slip. You almost slipped.
Yeah?
I don't know what this is, Chris.
Just a call.
Oh, yeah.